Hey guys, it's just a quick demo of our new spreadsheet we have for sale, the tax and accounting spreadsheet. Now this is for people who don't want to pay the monthly fee for something like QuickBooks or Xero or one of the other accounting softwares out there. And it's mainly for people who are small businesses, people who are in their first or second year of business. They don't have too many monthly transactions, and they just want something nice and simple to track their income and expenses. This is going to allow you to do exactly that. It's got 5 different tabs here: your income tab, your expense tab, your profit and loss tab, the mileage log, and then the instructions on how to use it. We're just going to do a quick run through of how this works. So on the income tab, all you do, you put the date you earn the income, you do a description of what you did. So say you did some coaching, someone paid you $2,000, the gross income, what they actually paid you, and then your cost of goods sold. If there was anything you had to buy to give the person you coached, if you had to give them a book as part of it, that'd go here, the amount, and then it's just going to show your profit. All right, so you're going to do that separately for each income item you have throughout the entire year. Then you go to the second tab, the expenses tab. It's the same thing. You're going to put the date, so 12/3/13. You're going to describe it. So let's say that you had to go to Walmart to buy ink for your printer. All right, so that's going to go under supplies. It was, let's say you paid $50 for ink. Just put $50 there. Nice and simple. There's all these different categories here to put them under, so you can keep them nice and organized. All right, it's much simpler than it looks. Don't be intimidated by the amount of categories there. And the reason for that is we have an instructions tab. All right, you go down, it's going to explain what each tab does, and then like in the expenses tab, it's going to show you what goes under each category. So for the supplies category, you're going to list your pens, pencils, ink, paper, bags, and any other expense under $500 that can be associated with your office or supplies for work. Okay, so it's nice and simple. It tells you where to put what. If it's still intimidating you, the best part about this is when you buy it, we're going to give you 30 minutes of consulting. And what we're going to do with that 30 minutes, we're going to customize this specifically to your business. So if you have more than one form of income, if you have affiliate income and sponsorship income and mentoring income and product income, we're going to create one of these on this page for each category of income so you can see it all separately, know how each one's doing. On the expense tab, we're going to get rid of all these categories that don't apply to you. So if you never have to take anybody out for meals or entertainment, we'll just completely get rid of that. Or if there's one we should add, we'll add that in there as well. But it'll make it nice and neat and concise and simple for you to run. Okay, that's what we're going to do during that 30 minutes. But after you get all of that done, your income and expenses, what it's going to do is going to give you a profit and loss statement. All right, it's going to pull those numbers in. It's going to show you your gross sales, your cost of goods sold, all the various expense categories, and finally your net income. And what's great about this is at the end of the year, you can just print this out, give it to your CPA, hopefully us, and we'll be able to do your taxes just with this sheet of paper. All right, so as long as you're filling it out every week, every month, however you do it, but as long as you're tracking all your income and all your expenses, this is the only thing you'll need come tax time, which is great. It simplifies it. It should keep you organized, keep your taxes less expensive. And then finally, what we have here is a mileage log. Okay, so you're going to print this tab out, keep it in each card that you use for business, and you're going to fill it out every time you go on a business trip. So if you had to go get the printer ink today, 12/3, destination Walmart, business purpose, buy printer ink, and then total miles driven, 25 miles. Okay, you're just going to do that throughout the entire year. Most entrepreneurs don't track their mileage properly, which is a big problem if you get audited. This is going to allow you to do that, and it's a nice, simple 5-tab spreadsheet here for the small business owner, someone in their first or second year. It's going to cost $99 total. That includes the 30 minutes of consulting. Normally 30 minutes of consulting on its own would cost $100, so it's a real bargain here. We're hoping to help people out, get their expenses and income organized, keep them organized throughout the year. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cpajdb.com, and we look forward to working with you guys who decide to purchase this. Thanks.